Assalamu-Alaikum and welcome back. Have you ever felt like your prayers are hitting a wall? Or that you have been asking for something for a long time but haven't seen a breakthrough? What if I told you there is a powerful key in Islam that opens the door to immediate acceptance? Today, we are exploring Ism-e-Azam, the great name of Allah. When you call upon Him using this name, miracles happen and no dua is rejected. Authentic hadith narrations prove that the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ once heard a companion making a specific supplication. Upon hearing it, the Prophet ﷺ said, "He has invoked Allah by His greatest name, which if he is called upon by it, He responds, and if he is asked by it, He gives." Ism-e-Azam captures Allah's absolute majesty. When a believer calls upon Him with a broken heart and absolute certainty using this name, divine intervention takes place. While scholars have different views on the exact words, the most authentic prophetic narrations point towards names that capture Allah's eternal nature. The most prominent ones are Ya Hayyu Ya Qayyum and Ya Zal Jalali wal Ikram. According to Hadith, Ism-e-Azam is present within 3 chapters of the Quran: Surah Al-Baqarah, specifically in Ayatul Kursi, Surah Al-Imran, and Surah Taha. If you want to unlock the full power of Ism-e-Azam, memorize this beautiful prophetic formula. Allahumma inni as'aluka bi anni ashhadu annaka antallah, la ilaha illa anta, al-ahadu samad, alladhi lam yalid wa lam yulad, wa lam yakun lahu kufuwan ahad. To experience the power of Ism-e-Azam, do not just repeat the words mechanically. Find a quiet time, preferably after Fajr or during Isha prayers. Start by sending blessings upon the Prophet. Then, with absolute faith, repeat Ya Hayyu Ya Qayyum, bi rahmatika astaghith 111 times, or recite the authentic hadith supplication. After that, sincerely pour your heart out to Allah for your deepest needs. Remember, when the heart surrenders and the tongue invokes Ism-e-Azam, miracles happen. No matter how impossible your situation looks, Allah's greatest name can turn it around. Try this with full faith.